to do in this video is just to set password, because we want to create our password in the database. We want the password to be saved in a database. Let's assume that the password was saved in a database. So let's create a password here. Or we can put it anywhere, but let's just put it inside this our main. You can say db and you can say username. Username is good. Let's assume is EasyKit. I can say EasyKit 1, 2, 3, 4, and the password is going to be db. Password is going to be similar thing. It's going to be db what? Password. This db stands for database. That's what I just assume. Doesn't do anything. And say db password. That's going to be EasyKit password. Let me just this password. db password, because I'm going to our password. Let's assume that we have this password installed. So when I input, this is why I did this. When I input password, my username, I want to check on that database, because that's how Facebook actually want to check on that database whether this your username exists in their database and your password that you inputted exists in their database. Because when I run this guy, and I'm going to come here to put a username. Let's I put EasyKit, and the password there I put maybe password 1, 2, 3, and then I click on login, because for it to log me in, I need to do this thing. I need to actually have an account. I have to have an account with Facebook. So that's just basically the ideology here. So it's going to come here, all the input that we inputted is going to come and check it on this username and password, whether if they correspond together. I did a project on this, which the link is going to be in the description below. We did this using a text-based command. We inputted the password and check whether it exists in our database. We said that we're going to make a GUI of this format. So that's basically what we are doing currently right now. So let me close this. Let me go down. Since we have created the database password, now the next thing we are going to do is to start creating some functions to check this out. Because the first we are going to get is to go to this entry, username entry, and then we are going to get the username entry, and then we are going to get the password entry, and then we are going to check whether if it exists on our database. That's what we are going to do in the next video. So I'll be happy to see you in that video. Thank you for watching.